Hello, my name is Willie Augustine, and I'll be going over bilingualism. Bilingual education has always put up a strong debate. Here in Alaska, Selden Jackson, who is a commissioner of education from 1885 to 1908, opposed the use of native languages in education and religion. Today, the University of Alaska, Fairbanks, established the Alaska Native Language Center with a mission and goal to cultivate and promote Alaska's 20 native languages. Alaska is very diverse when it comes to language and culture. East High School is believed to be the most diverse school in the nation. Although I may not be bilingual, I fully support programs, schools, and districts that push for bilingualism. Like myself, I hope you all know where your parents, grandparents, and so on come from. Always remember your roots. They are the foundation of your life and wings to your future. This is a quote I keep close to my heart. Both my parents are Yupik and come from Southwest Alaska. And because of their personal experiences growing up, they decided not to speak their heritage language to my siblings and myself. Ethno-linguists say that language is the basis of culture. Language loss is a tragedy that hit cultures across the world. Diverse groups who still speak their native language are very fortunate and should understand that it plays a strong role in their society. Imagine if you're wondering what to have for lunch or dinner and decide to go out and eat. You're thinking of places like Mexican, Chinese, or Thai restaurants, if you're not going to have American. Can you imagine a world with one language, a select variety of food, and the possibility of winning the West in the melting pot were successful? Some say the first years of education taught primarily in a language other than English will lead to comprehensive difficulties. With further research from linguistics, they have proven there are more advantages for bilingual or multilingual speakers, rather than it being considered a hindrance. Like the Kuskokwim region in southwest Alaska, they're continuing to grow and flourish with the widespread of very successful bilingual education programs. When elders speak in my community, I am trying my best to understand and learn my language. When I meet someone who's bilingual, or around friends who are bilingual, I am partially ashamed because I don't understand. It makes me feel as if I've been absent from my language and culture, and I feel less Yupik. Times have changed, and I hope you will support bilingual programs if you haven't already. As Alaskan residents, I believe we are fortunate to have the seal of biliteracy, which encourages students to learn and study languages. Koyana, and thank you for your time.